So the in continuation to non-sinusoidal supply voltage, we are going to discuss the induction motor drives under third module. Uh, so this is the harmonic equivalent circuit of the induction motor. So I have told what are the different types of harmonics will occur because of the non-sinusoidal supply. I told. Now here we are going to discuss the harmonic equivalent circuit of induction motor. And here we have the stator reactance, rotor reactance per phase in this diagram. So in here each reactance, okay, here the reactance will be increased by the factor m. Okay, so this factor, because of this factor m, the reactance will increase, and also the resistance also will increase several times because of the skin effect. Okay, because of the skin effect, the reactance as well as the reactance will be, because of this factor m, the reactance will increase, and the resistance also will be increased in several times, so due to skin effect. Okay, so we know that the harmonics, we know the slip. Okay, the slip for mth harmonic will be Sm is equal to m into omega ms. Okay, m into omega ms is the slip uh, Sm. Okay, due the slip due to m will be given by Sm is equal to m into omega ms minus plus omega m divided by m into omega ms. Okay, actually here we are writing m instead of plus or minus, we are writing minus or plus. Why? Because means the newly generated field, because this negative is represents the newly generated field in the field is rotating in the same direction. The newly generated field will be rotating in the same direction. That's why we are writing negative and positive instead of plus or minus. The newly rotating magnetic field is induced in the same direction of your rotating field, so that minus plus I have written. And here I said what is meant by skin effect. Skin effect is nothing but if the frequency increases as because of the harmonics. This is nothing but your harmonic equivalent circuit. Here because of this m factor, your reactance will increase, also your resistance will increase. So this will create a due to skin effect. The resistance is increasing due to skin effect. Why skin effect is coming to the picture means because of frequency. If the frequency of the fundamental component due to magnetic interaction, then the current flow will be takes place only surface of the conductor, not beneath the conductor. Okay, only it will takes place because of the surface of the conductor. The skin effect is mainly due to frequency. Okay, mainly due to frequency. The frequency of the supply is more, then the skin effect is also more. So this will create a several times increase in resistance. Okay, so we know that the reactance is increasing by the factor of m. Okay, the reactance is increasing due to the factor m. Now see, when a semiconductor converter, if you are using when a semiconductor converter, here the net torque produced by the harmonics will be zero, because the semiconductor is having its own property. It will rise, it is having own property that it will raise the fall time and rise time. Okay, it will raise the fall time and rise time, and also it will act as a low pass filter. Okay, it will act as a low pass filter. So because of that, the net torque due to harmonics will be zero. Okay, so it will be zero. So here what if the harmonics, if the m, if m increases means automatically your reactance will decrease, so the resistance become negligible. Okay, resistance become negligible, and here the mth harmonic current will be given by Im equal to Vm divided by m into x. And this x is nothing but xs plus xr dash. Okay, x is nothing but your xs plus xr dash, and this m is nothing but number of harmonics, and Vm is nothing but your voltage at the mth harmonic. X is nothing but the reactance of your stator as well as rotor, and m is nothing but number of harmonics. When the stator, and here the when the stator, if the stator is connected in the triplen harmonics, the stator is if the stator is star connected triplen harmonics, then the RMS current will be given by I square RMS is equal to IA square plus summation of 5th order, 7th order, 11th order and IM square. When the stator in delta connection, okay, delta connected triplen harmonics, then you will the harmonics will circulate in windings. It will not flow in source, okay, but it will not flow in the source. So the harmonics will be IRMS square is equal to IA square plus you will get a third order instead of here you will have only 5th order, 7th order, but in when delta connected triplen harmonics is there, means when the stator is delta connected triplen harmonics, then you will have third order also will be included. Here third order harmonics also will be included. Third order harmonics will be included. Okay. So presence of harmonics. Okay, presence of harmonics. What will happen? Higher current will flow. Presence of harmonics, higher current will flow. So resistance will increase due to skin effect. Okay, due to skin effect. So because of that, the copper loss also will increase. So copper loss increases means your there is nothing but I square R loss also will increase. So that your core loss also will increase. Okay, core loss also will increase as the harmonic component have high frequency. You know that I said if the harmonics is 5th order harmonics, then the frequency will be 5 times of your fundamental component. If the harmonics is 7th order harmonics, then the frequency will be 7 times of your fundamental component. Okay, so because of the frequency increases, because of frequency increases, your core loss, copper loss, everything will increase. So temperature also will rise, and it will make the motor to derate. Okay, so the motor will be derated. So the efficiency will be reduced due to losses. Okay, due to losses, the efficiency will be reduced due to losses. So non-sinusoidal supply means pulsating torque will be produced. So the field of one harmonics and the current of other harmonics will create some pulsating torque, and this will create some so actually the 5th order, 7th order, 11th order, 13th order are the major harmonic contributors. So to create losses in the motor, to create losses in the motor. So this is about your harmonics of your harmonics when if you connect non-sinusoidal signal to the supply. So this is about your harmonics and drawbacks of the motor. Thank you, students.